I was just out walking the dog and I came across this beautiful spot. Didn't see a no trespassing sign, so I just walked off the road onto their driveway, but this is an awesome spot. Looks like somebody is ready to build a house on. Got the electrical all set up there. What a view of the lake. That is just going to be awesome. I love our place, but I'm a little jelly. Very pretty. Hi guys, we're back at Camp Life and it's a Monday morning. It's starting to get a little chilly. It's 5 p.m. and the plumber has been here all day. I've been working, doing my job, working remote, and so I haven't had a chance to really come out and see. So we're gonna look at it together and see what progress the plumber made today. So let me switch around and we'll go discover. Back to our building site. And I see things poking out of the ground. Interesting. Okay. So, oh, okay, you can clearly see, oh, and I'm going to echo in here. The radon, that one's clearly labeled. So we know what that's for, the radon gases. I think that goes up, out, all the way out of the top of the house probably. And I don't want to disturb anything here, but it looks like they've got plumb line. They got the pink tape there. And the start of the piping, oops, sorry, going up. So this is about the location, obviously, of the utility room. So kind of this back section is a utility room and a bathroom. Actually, now that I think about it, the bathroom's kind of in this middle part with a bedroom, future bedroom, that we'll build out later, but we wanted to have the bathroom down here plumbed. And then the utility room will be in this space. So some of these connections will be going to hot water tanks and water softener, all that kind of stuff once the water comes in. And I'm sure some of the lines are for the sewer too, or septic, I should say. Yeah, so that's what's going on in here. Looks like they've done quite a bit. And I saw something over on the side here, so let's check that out. Yeah, so got stuff pulled. They obviously had to dig under the foundation. So they got that going. Yeah. So, got lots of extra here to go wherever this needs to go. And well, does that say anything interesting? Not so much. Okay. Well, that was, oh, and then I walked right by this second thing. So I believe this is for the septic. And the one that we were looking at a minute ago, that's the water line. So that makes sense. So let me show you the latest progress. It's magically, it's been a couple of days and we've had a inspection, which we passed, and now the contractor came back and leveled out the gravel. Pan back here. So we're ready for the floor here to be poured. So more concrete work is coming, probably not till early next week though. So that's the latest progress. He talked about putting plastic down, so I'm not quite exactly sure where that goes. But I'm sure we'll find out. I'll back up. So that is the latest on the build. Let me show you what we're doing to prepare for winter. I'll give you a quick update on that. So our old RV that we lived in for about a month when we first got here, maybe 5 weeks. So we've winterized that and it's ready, except for we do need to cover it. We do have a tarp, or not a tarp, but an RV cover, so we'll be putting that on. And then here, set up with our trailer that we're in now, living in now, we've got our one hydrant all wrapped and cozy in this box that Tom built. It's got like a heat wrap tape around the hydrant and insulation, and we need to get a bigger tarp because it doesn't quite cover it, but it was a good start. And then one of these heated hoses, which I didn't even know was a thing, so that all plugs in to the electrical. So we've had a few mornings where it's been in the, you know, below freezing, like 27, 29 degrees. So I'm sure soon enough this will stay plugged in all the time, but for now it's just when we know, you know, we check the forecast and see that it's going to be cold. So I think Tom was going to do a little bit more finish work on this, but it is a very good start to prepping for winter. And I think I already showed the propane tank we had delivered last week, so got our supply of propane for heat. Yeah, so that's it for now, guys. Have a good one. Till next time.